Hey guys, welcome to the brand new video of Tech Nerds. In this video I will be showing you how you can earn money online with almost no efforts. So let's start. I bet you this method will make you start earn money from the day one. So the website which will make you earn money is Adfly. Believe me, this is one of the best ways you can earn online. As you guys can see my earning till date. Now I will show you the exact way how you can also make your earning grow step by step. So now first you need to go to the link given in the description. Here press on the Join Now button. Here you need to fill your personal information. Now make sure you select account type as link shrinker. And press on the join button. Now this will send you a confirmation mail to the email ID you provided. Here the email sometimes may not appear in the primary email section. Instead it will appear in the spam folder. But don't worry, this was because the mail contained a security key in it. Now open this link. And copy this activation key. And paste it over here. Now as you guys can see, the account has been verified. Press on this click here option to get redirected to the login page. Here enter your email ID and password and press login. As you guys can see, a fresh account has been created. Now this is how you earn money from this website. Just copy any link you want someone else to open. In my case, I'm going to copy my channel's URL. After you are done copying your desired URL, just paste it over here. And hit this shrink button. What this will do is it will create a shortened URL with an advertisement in it. So whenever someone will click on this link, they will be first taken to this advertisement. And after pressing this skip ad button, they will be redirected to the original page. Which in my case is my YouTube channel's URL. Basically the advertisement shown to them will make you the earnings. There are several ways you can promote your link. You can share it on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. But the way I promote my advert links is by providing them in my video's description. So that my viewers will be first directed to the advertisement page and then to the original page. And this is how I make earnings by promoting these links. Now for withdrawing your earnings, you must have a minimum of $5 in your earnings. They pay out on the 1st of every month. But you can withdraw your earnings on a daily basis after your first withdrawal. To enter your payout details, you need to press this account button. Here you need to fill out your payout details. I recommend you guys to choose PayPal as your payout option, as it has a minimum withdrawal of $5, while other payout options like Payza has a minimum withdrawal of $10. After you are done uploading your payout details, you need to press this update account button. So this is how you earn money online with minimal of your efforts. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you like the video. Comment down below if this method helped. Guys, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in future. Also do check out our other videos. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you guys have any tech related questions, please do share it with me in the comment section. This is AAA, signing out.